A recent trip to Thailand inspired me to come back and create a real easy, approachable seasoning and a quick shortcut to Thai cooking. Now you may know Thai cooking is actually really complicated but full of fresh ingredients. There's a lot of complicated chilies and seasonings and tangs because it hits your whole palate and just makes you so happy in your mouth. I loved it so much that I worked with my spice purveyors to create Tasty Thai Blend. It's an all-natural combination that will give you the authentic flavors of Thailand with just a little shake. Put it on your vegetables, add it to stir fries. You can add it to some sauteed chicken and broccoli along with some coconut milk for a really wonderful one-pot meal with a great sauce. Lots of different ways to be able to use it. Anywhere that you're looking for the taste of lemongrass and a little bit of tang of fresh lemon and lime and chilies and a little sweet, a little salty, and a little spicy. Tasty Thai seasoning, just another quick and easy way to make some great recipes from Stacey Hawkins.